Selling on Zalando is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can sell on Zalando. In order to sell on Zalando, join its partner program. Now, as you guys can see on the screen, what is a partner program? The partner programs gives you full control when it comes to running your business on Zalando. So what are the benefits for the brands? These are the benefits that you can easily, build a e-commerce portfolio. You can build customer loyalty. You can use your own logistics. You can set your own prices. You can, have access to your own analytics for your business. So these are the, some sort of, benefits that you will get by joining the partner program in the Zalando. So how can you join it? In order to join it, you need to create a direct API integration, create a direct connection between your inventory and Zalando's API. You need to connect your inventory with your Zalando's API. The second thing is you need to use an integrator. You need to use an external integrator like Congo, which already has a connection between Zalando platform. So this is how you'll be able to integrate both of them. Now, what are the selling fee on Zalando marketplace? These two are the selling. It is divided into actually into two categories. So the first one is selling commission. The selling commission is about 5 to 25%, and the second is fixed monthly charges. You can care about the fixed monthly charges as well. So these are the minimum requirements in order to join the Zalando's partner program. You need to have a look at this carefully. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.